Good morning, everyone. We are on Module 5 of Chapter 2 Acids, Bases, and Salt. As you all know, the process of dissolving an acid or a base in water is a highly exothermic reaction. Care must be taken while mixing concentrated acid or sulfuric acid, nitric acid with water. The acid must always be added slowly to water with constant stirring. If water is added to a concentrated acid, the heat generated may cause the mixture to splash out and cause burn. The glass container may also break due to excessive local heating. You have seen the warning sign on the can of concentrated sulfuric acid and on the bottle of sodium hydroxide pellets. Mixing an acid or base with water results in decrease in the concentration of ions, hydronium ion, hydroxide ion per unit volume. Such a process is called dilution and the acid or the base is said to be diluted. How strong are acid or base solutions? We can quantitatively find the amount of hydrogen ion or hydroxide ions present in a solution. We can also judge how strong a given acid or base by making use of a universal indicator. We have discussed Module 1 of Chapter 2 Acids, Bases and Salt that indicators tells us whether the given solution is acidic or basic in nature. Indicators have a band of different colors. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale. pH stands for Potenz in German, meaning power. On the pH scale, we can measure pH from 0 to 14. pH should be thought of simply as a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in hydroxide ion concentration in the solution, that is, increase in the strength of alkali or bases that dissolve in water. This is a diagram of pH. So 0 to 7 acidic in nature, 7 to 14 basic in nature. If you are moving from 7 to 14, then decrease in hydrogen ion concentration but increase in the hydroxide ion concentration. If you are moving towards 0 from 7, then increase in the hydrogen ion concentration. Below it, pH of some common substances given: gastric juice 1.2, lemon juice 2.2, pure water and blood 7.4, milk of magnesia means magnesium hydroxide 10, sodium hydroxide solution 14. There are different pH value given: baking soda 9, milk of magnesia 10, lemon juice between 2 and 3. Different pH value given to you for different solutions. pH range for a few common substances: gastric content 1.6 to 3, urine 4.8 to 8.4, saliva 6.5 to 7.5, milk of magnesia 10.5. So this is all for today. Thank you.